Alright, we are on page 18 of the packet doing problem number 6. So 6 reads, the shape of the roller coaster loop in an amusement park can be modeled by y squared over 4,225 plus x squared over 2,500 is equal to 1, where x and y are measured in feet. What is the height of the roller coaster above the ground when it reaches the top of the loop if the tower rail is 125 feet above the ground? This is one situation where you want to be able to draw the problem and conceptualize it. So, first of all, we have to understand that this equation is the equation of an ellipse. And the reason why it's an ellipse is because it's in form. It's the form y minus k squared over a squared plus, notice there's a plus, not a minus sign, over x minus h squared over b squared. The origin is 0, 0. And we notice it's a vertical ellipse because the larger denominator is above the y squared. So let's draw this out. We have a vertical ellipse which sits on a 25-foot rail. So the lowest part of the ellipse is 25 feet above the ground. So let's say this is a roller coaster. This length is 25 feet. And we need to say, what is the height on the roller coaster above the ground when it reaches the top of the loop? So the top of the loop is going to be right here. So really, this right here is going to be the length of the ellipse. So the length of the top of the loop to the ground. So the height of the roller coaster above the ground. That's going to be equal to the major axis of the ellipse. Plus 25 feet. So we need to find the major axis of the ellipse. Well, the major axis of the ellipse, that's equal to 2a. So just we need to find 2a. We know that the larger a squared is equal to the largest denominator in the ellipse equation. So because a squared is the largest denominator in ellipse equation, so that means that a squared is equal to 4,225. If a squared is equal to 4,225, a is equal to the square root of that. So a is equal to the square root of 4,225. So the square root of 4,225 is equal to 65. So if a is equal to 65, 2 times 65, 2a is equal to 130. So the height of the roller coaster above ground, our answer is going to be 25 plus 130, and so that answer is going to be 155 feet. So that's going to be answer choice C. Okay, that's problem 6 on page 18.